On the bottom side of the passenger side, there's this cover right here. I want to go ahead and remove. There are 3 plastic buttons. There's one here, and there's one in the back over here. I want to go ahead and remove these. Use your trim tool. Pop out the center, and then pop the rest of that button out. And go ahead and repeat for the other ones. Go ahead and disconnect this connector right here. Remove our ambient light bulb there and pull that panel out. What I want to do is I want to get to this blower motor right here. And there should be a series of 3 small bolts. There's one here, should be one right here, and then one in the back. So let's go ahead and get these removed. I'm going to look at this connector right here first. So let's go ahead and remove that electrical connector from the blower motor. Use our trim tool. We're going to go ahead and release this little clip. We have that released. Now we're going to use a 7/32 socket on our ratchet. And we're going to go ahead and remove these 3 screws holding this. For the back screw, we're going to switch over to a deep socket. We can go ahead and lower that down and out. What I want to do is go ahead and swap over your hardware. We're just going to use our trim tool, pop on in here and pop that screw out. Do the same over here. Now that we have our hardware, you also want to pay attention to the orientation. We have our plugs, and these rubber gaskets have the little tabs on them just so you can have your orientation when you're installing this unit. Let's go ahead and feed our blower motor up into the dash. Then we'll go ahead and get one screw started here. All right, once you have one started, try and get a second one in. And we'll go ahead and get our 3rd screw in the back here. We just want to snug those. Once you feel it start to bottom out, just go a little bit more. Nice, getting snug. Just that little bit more. And do the same for this one here. Grab your connector, get that, line that up on the side of the unit. Press it in, you'll see and feel that snap into place. Now we have our undercover. Don't forget to install your ambient light bulb here. Put that in, twist it, and then go ahead and push the cover up underneath. Take your push pins here and make sure everything lines up. Push that button in. Repeat on that one there. And then we'll go ahead and install our button on the back side.